Hey, are you a LinkedIn user? If you are, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can use LinkedIn's Seems Like AI Slop reporting feature. So LinkedIn now gives you the ability to report what you consider artificial intelligence slop on their platform. Finally, huh? Well, but the irony is that they allow you to create, content with artificial intelligence. But anyways, on a post, what you can do is that there is a three-dot menu, pull-down menu at the top of a post. Just click on the three-dot menu, and then you'll see the thumbnail, or you'll see the image on screen. All right, so you'll want to choose. Obviously, you're going to choose Seems Like AI Slop. They actually they actually named it AI Slop. Very interesting. But then they use the term seems like. Okay. Then once you click on that, once you select that, it will send LinkedIn that report, and then you should receive a message titled, quote, "Thanks for letting us know. Your feedback helps improve the feed," unquote. Then your post is supposed to become hidden. So that is how you use LinkedIn's Seems Like Artificial Intelligence Slop reporting feature. I believe it's only available per post. And then I'm not sure about comments or any other type of content at this time. But LinkedIn claims that they're finally trying to resolve, the artificial intelligence slop on their platform. And this came from LinkedIn.com. This came from this executive's official post, Hari Srinivasan. You can browse to his LinkedIn and find this post. It was AI slop is a top priority for all of us share. And then it has more details. But it's real simple. Click the three-dot drop-down menu, select Seems Like AI Slop. You'll receive a message claiming that they received a report, and then that post will become hidden. You know what I'm saying? That was this video pertaining to how to use LinkedIn Seems Like AI Slop reporting feature. Adios.